Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be a quick video on my review on Superdrug's own brand mascara called B.Cosmetics. I have done a full face of makeup and I'm currently wearing it on the mascara on this eye, which is my right eye. My eyes have decided to start playing up, so this eye is really watering, so I'm going to try and wrap this up really quickly. I think it's this time of the year where my hay fever starts playing up, so I'm going to try and do this super quick, otherwise this could just look a right old mess. So I'm going to apply the mascara on the other side of my eye and let you know my thoughts on it afterwards. If you guys want to know what top I'm wearing, it's from Primark, a cute little summer top, short sleeves, as you can see, a lovely v-neck. I absolutely adore v-necks. I think it's very feminine, and the bottom of the top has got little ruffles and a pull string. For a bow, I won't show you it completely because I don't have that six-pack ab that I'm striving for. So let's get straight into it. First of all, this is the brand. This is the mascara, sleek packaging from Superdrug. It's a lengthening mascara, and this is the ones here, quite full with bristles.
By everyone's so quiet, I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself into, what you got yourself into. Come on, say something, I wanna hear your voice. Give it all or nothing, the moment's getting lost. Ain't no time we're stopping, so show me what you need. I know that you want it, but what you got yourself into, what you got yourself into, what you got yourself into. I can feel your eyes on me.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. Yeah. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me.
All the eyes are all on me.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me.
Loving the attention, I feel we're so close. Building up tension till it's about to blow. Another dimension, I already know. I know you can feel it, but what you got yourself into, what you got yourself into, what you got yourself into. I can feel your eyes on me.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me,
All the eyes are all on me. I never put it on me.
eyes are not on me.
Get it before it's too late.
My first impressions when I used this weeks ago was that it's jet black. The colour is very dark, which I do like, because sometimes you get a black mascara and it's not as black as you would like, but this is like proper black carbon. Because this is a cruelty-free brand, there are items in here that will not normally be in the product. I'm not sure if that coincides with the fact that when you apply it, it does dry very quickly. Otherwise, because of the dryness, it starts to clump very quickly, and as a result of that, it does flake off. but if you do apply it quickly, it's not bad. I love it. It's very affordable. It is a good mascara for anybody who's looking for a bargain. Again, they promote length, so I don't know if you saw that there, but I'm quite happy with how it looks. It does give the eyelashes a very full look. I always like to apply at least 2 coats of mascara, usually 1 coat of mascara on the bottom lashes. But overall, I give this at least 7 out of 10, so I can't complain. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, because I do like reading your comments and replying when I can. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy watching my videos and you want to see more videos from me, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, cruelty-free products, vegan products. Then stay tuned. Until next time, guys. Bye. Is that it? We done?